Allez, on va pouvoir enchaîner du coup avec l'épisode 2. L'épisode 2, ça tombe bien, ça sera chapitre par chapitre. Normalement, on est censé avoir une vidéo en chapitre. Donc, déjà, le premier était très bien. J'ai passé un excellent moment. Je trouve que c'est vraiment des mini-jeux à chaque fois. Des mini-jeux complets. Moi, c'est la musique que j'adore en fait. Ah oui! Phénoméman. Maman à la guitare, elle s'appelle.
You can count on SDN to help lift the burdens life throws at us. But SDN
Ça sent la publicité.
rock, so you can rock.
C'est une pub. Ah voilà, tu vois, c'était sûr.
She's definitely not making it to band practice.
Ouais.
Well, yeah. Wait, what's that?
Aquaboy.
No, just a commercial.
Là, il est grand lui.
Weird. Yeah, right.
Ah oui, il est très très
The
grand.
Man. He's like a rock star.
Ouais.
It's I'm joking, cause of the rock and the roll. Cool, cool commercial. I'm a fan. You might say. You could say that.
Il est phénoménal.
Seems cool. Phenomenal, even. And quite the salesman.
Oh yeah, I mean, he could sell snowballs to an Is it not not cool to
Ok,
say?
ok.
Snowman.
Moi j'aime de neige, ouais.
Sell snowballs to a snow person. Anyone made of snow. Any color snow doesn't have to be white.
Ouais, vache.
Yep, that's not right. That is not right. That is yep. That is
Just
yeah.
okay. Let me help you.
Oh no,
with
no, not necessary. I'm sure I.
It's soaked. You nervous? Big job.
Aquaboy,
No,
il s'appelle.
yes, but yes is more. My powers make everything wet, moist. Water boy is how they call me, but yes, I am.
Oh non, pas lui. Feuman là. Aïe aïe aïe.
Oh, okay. Oh,
Ok.
now that your face is next aside of my face, I see that I know you.
Mechaman.
You're Mecha Man. You're dead. I thought
Just on the
Eh non.
inside.
you look small or different in person.
Oui.
Never meet your heroes,
Normal.
kid.
Oh, wasn't sure you'd show up.
Oh,
Aurore.
wow, Laser, Juan, a real hero.
Oh, sorry, but I need him for something. Follow me.
Dispatch. Oh, c'est bien écrit derrière. Ah, mais c'est elle qui a la cape jaune.
Take your clothes off.
What's happening
Okay.
right now?
We don't want too many people knowing you're Mecha Man. A lot of our dispatchers are former heroes, but it's better if you keep your identity a secret. We've had incidents in the past. Here,
SDN.
I remembered you being bigger. I was a little drunk. Listen,
Ça,
it's
on
gonna be
confirme.
great.
I've never felt silly wearing this.
Until now.
Yeah, I was trying to imply that with the silence.
It worked. Get dressed. I have somebody I need you to meet. Oh, sorry. Should I turn around? Or what do you... should I close my eyes, maybe? If that makes you more comfortable.
C'est du harcèlement. Ne regarde pas, ne regarde pas.
No peeking.
Yeah, I'll actually... Yeah, I'm just gonna... There.
Il y a un miroir, donc ça revient.
It
Classique.
doesn't look like it, but I am flexing every muscle in my body right now.
Really?
Okay, well, you didn't have to say it like that.
I want to say again, I'm sorry about last night. I regret the way I conducted myself. It
Ouais.
was a mistake. A complicated mistake. I can go into the details of those complications with you later.
Didn't feel like a mistake. At least not to me.
Well, that makes one of us.
It was a nice night. Nothing more than that.
Yeah, I'd like to keep things professional.
Right, that's why you brought me to this conference room to strip down in front of you. Profesh.
Profresh.
Are you serious?
J'adore l'accent américain. Attends, mais wesh. Bonjour. Ça espionne. Super, merci.
Who locks a conference room? So, you two fuck or what?
We kissed.
Nickel.
But it was very innocent.
Like cheek innocent or tip of your dick innocent?
First of all, we did not kiss. You kissed me. Second of all, it's
Oh, la
none of
vache.
your freaking business.
Whoa, she cussed. Must have been a good one.
Ah la vache.
Robert, this is Invisigal.
Un Visimeuf. J'adore le blaze.
We take former supervillains, such as herself, and rehabilitate
C'était un
them to
méchant,
re-enter
ok.
society to use their powers for. Are those my earrings?
C'est trop stylé.
Look better on me.
Invisigal, this is Robert. He'll be your team's dispatcher.
A washed up dad bod superhero with no superpowers. Can't wait.
His identity, all of this, that's staying between us. He's still Mecha Man, but that can't get out. And if it does,
J'adore.
I'll know who it came from.
You think I want to tell people our dispatcher's a fucking loser?
Having
C'est vrai.
superpowers doesn't automatically make you a superhero. You're born with one, you have to earn the other.
Mais de fou, ça c'est une vraie phrase.
Well, I'm wet. I see why you like him. Look at that.
Ok.
tramp. What does that look? Best Buy
C'est
Fight
Piggy
Club?
Chin ce jeu. J'adore.
Fucking
Fight
hot.
Club de Wish. Je suis amoureux de ce jeu.
We have
C'est une dinguerie.
a weekly ranking list for all the heroes in the company.
And she's at the bottom.
She called herself Invisibitch when she was a villain. I'm trying to rebrand her.
Yeah, I thought Invisigal felt kind of corny for her.
Oh, yeah,
C'est incroyable.
the name was my idea.
Oh, le texte.
Just get your shirt on, Dad Bod.
J'adore. L'écriture est trop bien.
This is SDN. How can we help you?
We're not the highest profile branch in the network, but we've got what makes the real difference. Great people. Some of them aren't even people, and they're still one of the 3 copiers on this floor. Fax, scan, does literally everything. Documentation, one of the 3 Ds at SDN.
Okay.
Has to be a healthy amount of paperwork. I used to call it triple Ds,
Mm.
but I was informed that had a different connotation.
Qui est
What
recruté?
kind of heroes end up here?
Oh, all sorts. Some that are tired of doing it themselves, some heroes who prefer teams.
And some that used to be called Invisibitch. Quite the
Invisibitch.
eclectic roster.
Yep. We're all about diversity. Lana,
Un
works in
alien.
the mailroom, from a different galaxy altogether. And then there's Galen, way back there, born with super hearing. He's from let me see.
Florida.
Florida, of course. Florida man over
J'adore.
there. Hey, easy on the bath salts.
That was one guy.
Hey, speaking of bath, where is the,
Oh, need a bio break?
excuse me?
Restroom. I mean, it's right over there. Sorry. At work, I tend to get a little
Corny?
corporate, Dick. Meet me in the records room when you're done. If you get lost, look for the door that says records room.
J'adore. J'adore. Ah mais c'est la fameuse scène où il y a l'image du jeu là. Avec les 2 super-héros et lui au milieu. Ils sont en train de pisser.
Bruh, I almost went in my pants. Hey, you just
Oh la taille des deux.
What's up, brother? My auntie named me Roy, but people call me Royd. All right. Good to meet you, bruh.
Likewise.
Enchanté. C'est un jeu à choix. Hein.
Steroid, like
Il y a beaucoup de trucs. Hein.
steroid?
Huh? Hell no, brother. No. Cuz. Listen. Get 2 other guys here that go by the name Roy. So I think it's like, we go scrap, we go ground, I boss you up, and then, you got Royd. You know what
Okay.
I'm saying, bro? That's what I think.
Il est long son
That's why
pipi.
they call me Royd? Like I'm on steroids. Cause they think I'm some kind of a juice head. They think I'm not natty, bro.
C'était juste une blague mais
They
bon.
think Royd's not natty.
No, I'm just kidding, man. Just making jokes about your name and the shitter.
Whatever. I don't care.
That's, yeah, Nokia is probably best. Nice meeting you, Royd, even if it was while we were both holding our dicks.
You one funny bugger. Mecha man.
Ah putain il sait.
Okay, so I was worried about your unwashed hand, but now I'm worried that everyone here knows who I am.
Nah, brother, it's Kapu. Need to know basis, and Roy need to know. Other one will come pick up your soup or fix them for the SDN.
Ok.
You gonna wash before you do that?
Nah, bro, I never touch nothing. Just touch my pants and underwear only.
Nickel.
Even for shake, I just do like this.
Can you show me again?
Ce
I don't
jeu.
think I got it.
C'est n'importe quoi.
Holy shit, who's this freckle-faced fuck? How are you?
That's an aggressive way to greet someone.
Look at this skinny latte.
Homme très vieux.
Your bones, kid. You here to whip these assholes into shape or what?
That's the idea.
I'm sorry, do I know you?
Why are you all tense? What? It's a hug, not a hand job. Lighten up.
Oh putain, mais.
I'm still confused.
J'adore.
Oh, right, because I'm old as shit. How about this? This jog your memory?
Trackstar? Holy shit.
Bolide, ok.
Why are you accepting hugs from old men you don't know? Oh, and hey, they call me Chase around here, so keep it, you know.
Sure, right. Yeah, Chase.
It's been what, 10, 15 years?
Has it really been that long?
Yeah, I reached out to this little pissant with his dad.
C'est celui qui l'a contacté du
Then
coup.
he got to ducking me like he owed me money.
I was in a weird place.
I understand, kid. It was tough on all of us, so I can't imagine what you went through.
Yeah, so what's up? You gonna tell me why you look like Black Einstein?
Sorry. I never noticed.
Fucker. It's the powers. I can move 50 times faster than the average person, but I didn't realize until it was too late. And I was aging 50 times
Ah,
faster. when I
oh,
used my
waouh.
powers.
Ah ouais, d'accord.
Nowadays, I'm moving slower than frozen piss to keep the old ticker from popping on me.
I had no idea. I'm so sorry, Chase.
Hey, if I feel another ounce of pity from you, I will run you over in a parking lot and say
Ah,
it was
d'accord.
an accident.
Ok, merci, c'est super.
They'll believe me because it looks like I'm wearing diapers.
So I guess this means you're the one person I can't complain to about losing my suit.
You better not. I would resurrect and re-kill your fucking father in front of you if it meant being able to use my powers again.
Jesus, Chase.
Wow.
What? Obviously, I'd let Robert have one last I love you before I extinguish the light from his eyes.
Was he always like this?
Oh bah oui.
Yes, actually.
We joke, we laugh, we suppress our trauma. All right, enough of this feeling shit. Let's introduce you to your team of losers. Now, if I'm
Je suis
being
dedans,
honest, I
à fond.
thought and still think we should have canned these tunas months ago.
And you might get your wish. Because if we don't see improvements soon, the whole program will be scrapped.
Cool. No pressure.
Alors, révélez votre héros.
Sonar here was a Harvard graduate
Who will not shut the fuck up about being
Voilà.
a Harvard graduate like all Harvard graduates.
who also orchestrated some of the most effective Silicon Valley
Okay.
investment frauds in U.S. history.
Also, sometimes he transforms into a fucking bat
Chauve-souris.
monster that would eat you ass first after he emptied your pension plan.
Donc c'est une chauve-souris d'1m83. Physiologie de chauve-souris vol. Se transforme en chauve-souris géante, très intelligent, accro à diverses substances illicites. Ah donc il a deux, oui, donc deux identités hybrides. Sonar il s'appelle, fraude-souris intellectuel hybride, bête et rapide. Oh non pas lui putain.
Flambe. He
Flambeau.
There's a fire in the flame and his skin does not burn.
Right, you met him. Didn't you ever run in with him years back?
I did. Yeah.
So you know he's a certifiable dickhead.
Ouais. Donc lui c'est un combattant feu. Pyrokinésie, invulnérabilité. Ah putain, ta mère. Pyropropulsion, ok. Incendie volontaire, guérison, ok. Feu et combattant.
Invisigal, who you
Là ouais.
turned herself in a few months ago and entered the program on the condition we
Okay.
didn't ask questions.
That's a little suspicious, no?
Suspicious, really? Of a criminal that turns invisible and doesn't like to answer questions? What tipped you off, Sherlock?
Bien vu Sherlock. Voleuse solitaire, invisibilité, combat rapproché, on l'a vu déjà. C'est quoi les infobulles? Ah oui d'accord.
Here we have coupé, which
Coupé.
I recently learned is a French ballet term that means to cut, hence the knives.
That's very clever.
Yeah, but it sounds dumb to say, so everybody calls her Coop. She was an assassin for the mob, then went independent.
Arme imbrakinétique, vol, précision surhumaine. Ok.
Punch up.
Carnival
qui, lui?
strongman who made a deal
Hercule,
with a
ok.
sorceress. She gave him the strength of 10 men. His muscles grew, but his body shrunk.
He's got all the charm and brains of a greasy bowling ball.
Immunité à la douleur, hein. C'est très intéressant ça. Immunité à la douleur, poids à mouche, bagarreur. C'est un poids à mouche?
Malevola.
Oh,
terrifying.
stylé!
She's got a magic sword,
Ça me fait
and
penser à
she
Baldur's
creates
Gate.
portals that allow her to teleport.
Somehow she's still late
Un
at
démon.
every fucking meeting.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure she does it on purpose.
Sorcière mi-démon. Physiologie démoniaque, création de portail, absorption de vitesse force vitale. Transfert de blessure, ouais, donc c'est vraiment ça. Sorcière mi-démon, Malevola. Diable de Tasmanie, j'aime bien le nom. Ensuite, on a
That's
Golem.
He is a construct.
Ok,
Construct?
Yeah. Bunch of dirt and mud made sentient with magic. I think he's lonely.
d'accord. Guérison régénérative, très intéressant. Protecteur polyvalent. Et le dernier,
Prism. Michigan.
prisme. Oh, stylé.
Power is weird. She weaponizes
Manipulation
some shit.
holographique.
A lot of this stuff is a guess.
Why is she dressed like a pop star?
She's actually super talented.
Eh ben franchement, une belle
Wait,
équipe de bras
so,
cassés.
The Z team, my team, their Phoenix program?
That is correct.
Your own motley crew of dangerous fuck-ups.
We're not looking for miracles, but we'd love one if we could get it. Can you show him his desk?
Sure. What's that arm squeeze about?
You want one? Here.
Fuck off.
J'adore.
This is you. Pretty sparse, but feel free to decorate.
Login R. Robertson.
This computer's older than you look.
Ouf, ah, j'avoue, il est très très vieux là.
Wait, so we're doing this? I haven't even met the team yet.
We did the slideshow.
First of all, that wasn't a slideshow.
Look, we like to start slow. Most people don't make it past the first dispatch.
Ah d'accord.
This is better for everybody's safety.
What do you mean, safety?
You'll be fine. And this here is our little slice of the Southland. Whenever there's a crisis in the area, we get a call, and guess who answers?
En fait, son taf, c'est...
Exactly. Now put your
Il
heads
bosse
down
chez
and
Orange,
introduce
quoi.
yourself to these
Service après-vente.
Hey, team. This is your dispatcher, Robert Robertson. I'm starting my first shift.
Nickel.
Tell me that's not your real fucking name. Bitch. You give me this sugar
Oh la
on your
vache.
birthday, come on.
Ça va être dur de tout lire.
Clear the channel, please. There's a lot of overlapping on this.
Oh, ça va être horrible.
Who? Roberto son?
I saw him in his underwear.
He back in mine.
Oh, but he's got a lot of bruises. Which I'm into.
Again, please clear the channel.
Get it, your emo.
Shut the fuck up. Let me remind you, these calls are fucking recorded for training fucking purposes.
J'adore.
Line clear before we send your stupid fucking asses back to whatever fucking cell we pulled your stupid fucking asses out of. Alright?
Oh bordel. Ah, c'est hilarant. Ok, allez, on se concentre. Ça me termine. Ballon perdu. Faut travailler. Mon fils a coincé son ballon dans un arbre. Vous pouvez envoyer quelqu'un. Grimper un arbre de 12 mètres pour récupérer un ballon rouge. Ne pas faire pleurer l'enfant. En fait, c'est là qu'il faut que je réfléchisse. On l'a vu dans l'épisode 1 sur les catégories. Alors, on a la mobilité, la vigueur, le combat, l'intelligence et le charisme. Là, il faut grimper en hauteur. Bah, je pense à Invisimeuf.
Sure, your call.
Parce que elle peut aller le chercher facilement vu qu'elle est invisible et pas lui faire peur. J'ai un doute. Mais je dirais Invisimeuf, moi, là, naturellement. Donc on va faire ça.
Still on the clock. So, okay. Trust me. I can handle this a lot faster on my own.
Lorsqu'elle est envoyée seule, Invisimeuf réduit le temps de trajet et le temps de complétion. Ok. Deuxième mission.
Vanderstank is requesting a hero for a very important event.
Who's this Vanderstink guy?
Vanderstink, certified genius. Literally, he has a certificate.
You aren't a genius if you need a piece of paper that says
Ok.
you're a genius.
You're just jealous. This guy rules.
Inauguration très médiatisée à Vance Go. Envoyer quelqu'un qui donnera une bonne image. Donc là, c'est clairement du charisme. Donc charisme et intelligence peut-être. Donc ça serait soit coupé. Ah, c'est lui, c'est le mec avec la cravate. avec la tête de cochon, mais
I'm outie.
ouais, ça sera lui pour moi.
My key to success? Being successful.
I'll take Wednesday.
Tuesday. Dibs on Monday.
What are you guys talking about?
We're taking bets on when you'll quit.
Ah, d'accord.
Friday?
Today's Friday.
I know.
Golem, il m'a fait rire. Il m'a fait rire, mais j'ai pas rigolé, mais il m'a fait rire.
Oh my god! My bidet is
Oula!
shit everywhere!
Réparer le bidet défectueux de la cliente. Difficulté basse, essai avant verrouillage. Piraté. C'est à moi de le faire, ça? Putain, c'est vrai que c'est ZQSD. Enfin, c'est pas ZQSD, justement, c'est l'autre. Ok, tac.
Let's see if I can do this.
Ok. Tac. Comme ça.
That's right.
Parfait. Gauche, gauche, bas. Non, oh. Putain, c'est le WASD, il me saoule. Ah oui, faut aller vers le bas, je comprenais pas. Voilà, c'est bon. C'est fait. Alors là, elle a réussi ou pas? Oula. Ouais, si ça passe. Ok.
Too stunned to speak. I get it. I have that effect on people.
Nickel. Dégagez ces idiots de mon bar avant qu'ils le détruisent et n'envoyez pas le connard enflammé. Donc, 2 héros se battent à Kryptonite. Mettre fin à la bagarre diplomatiquement, si possible. Donc lui, on l'envoie pas. Donc on va mettre lui parce qu'il a du charisme. On va mettre diplomatiquement, si possible. Combat, vigueur.
You look,
On va mettre ces deux-là. Sur une mission à 2 emplacements, certains emplacements peuvent conférer plus 2 à une stat et moins 1 aux autres quand Golem est assigné. D'accord. Vas-y, on envoie ces deux-là, je pense.
How tall are you, anyways?
Est-ce que ça c'était réussi? Selon moi c'était bon. Ouais, on a vidé dans le 1000. On est tout bon. 100% on a fait.
Okay, what's going on with sonar?
Oh, that, yeah. He kind of ran.
Ah oui, c'est vrai. Putain, j'avais oublié.
Randomly.
Parce que du coup là il est en forme sonar quoi. Sonar se transforme en revenant d'une mission et inverse ses stats. Intelligence avec combat et charisme avec vigueur. Oh, c'est bien ça. Il inverse ses stats. Ok, là-bas. Vol de bateau en cours au club nautique. Poursuivre les voleurs, restituer le bateau en un seul morceau. Clairement de la mobilité avec elle. Et je dirais... Ah, attends. Après, t'as Malévola, sorcière et tout. Elle a un peu de stats partout. Non, je dirais quand même elle, puisqu'elle peut voler.
How much stabbing is too much stabbing? So what was your read on this
Je dirais ça.
Mecha Man guy?
Washed up, drinking alone. A robot guy without his robot, I guess.
Ces idiots se battent pour le nom Fight Man.
Hear that, Flambe?
Des idées de nouveaux noms pour régler ça.
Kicked by just a guy.
All of you.
Des noms qui déchirent, des noms débiles, des noms de devenir un duo. Ah, il faut aller envoyer Prisme. D'accord. Des noms qui déchirent. Je sais pas.
The Duelist and the Brawler.
Ok.
Those names are better than they have any right to be. Flambe,
Stylé.
you're off route.
Il fait quoi lui? Il fait quoi lui? Mais il est sérieux?
Fire at a local park has gotten out of control.
Did you start that fire?
No.
The
Mais
fire
il est
that's
con.
burning 2 blocks from where you're standing. You didn't start that.
Mais il est...
I mean, I don't know what you're talking about. I'm on break, so how could I know?
Flambe, stop fucking around.
Mais
I've
il est
got enough
débile.
problems without you making new ones.
Whatever, man.
Envoyer quelqu'un de solide pour éviter d'autres dégâts. Ah bah super. Je vais attendre que lui soit en fin de repos. Oh là là, oh c'est le bordel. Ok, toi vas-y. Toi, on est bon ou pas? 63%. Ça passe.
Will that be all?
Ça passe.
On to the next one.
Ok, là, il y a quoi?
Someone's robbing the museum. I don't know what you do, man.
Les cambrioleurs ont pris le contrôle de ce système de sécurité. Éviter les capteurs de mouvement. Allez hop, invisimeuf. Et appréhender les voleurs. Vas-y vous deux. Aujourd'hui on parle du SDH qui emploie des criminels pour nous protéger. Éduquer l'entre-dieu sur le programme du SDH, lui prouver qu'il a tort au sujet de la Team Z. Toi t'y vas. Ah mais non putain. Merde. Lui il peut pas du coup. Bon je vais mettre lui, il sait parler. Ok, tout le monde en mission? C'est bon? Allez dépêchez-vous, soyez efficaces hein. Oula. Vas-y je pirate. On va jouer un peu. Alors. Ah putain mais j'avais pas vu, il y a du temps en haut à gauche là. Comment je descends? Ah oui, comme ça putain. Tac. Ok, à gauche. Ok. Ok. Nickel. On est bon. Les ficelles? Ok. C'est quoi lui? Qu'est-ce qu'il fait? Pourquoi il est là? Ah! Consulte la base de données, on a un héros qui est monté d'un niveau? Amélioration. Chaque niveau confère des points de compétence. Points de compétence disponibles. 1. Ok, vas-y, on lui rajoute 1 en mobilité encore. Je pense. C'est pas mal ça, j'aime bien. Oh, je commence à kiffer vraiment le jeu là. Ça. Compiler et croiser les autres vols d'œuvres d'art de ce réseau criminel. Localiser des membres connus pour trouver leur planque. Je sais pas, on va voir, attends. Le feu est incontrôlable. Comment l'empêcher de se propager? Éteins le feu avec le lance à eau. Étouffe les flammes avec ton corps. Alors lui... Attends. Merde. Ah, je peux pas revenir en arrière. C'est qui était immunisé à la douleur? C'est lui, non? Parce que... je crois que c'était lui, j'ai un doute. On est d'accord que ça, c'est peut-être Courpif. Mais je crois que c'est lui. Je crois que c'est lui qui a pas la douleur. Ça passe. Ça passe apparemment. J'ai cru qu'il allait dire I am Groot. Je suis matrixé. Ok, et toi là? Copier les croisés. Ah, attends. Ah, du coup, lui, il a un point de compétence en plus. On va te mettre sur... combat. Et là, on va mettre... ça... et ça.
Oh, sick.
Putain, j'adore. La mécanique du jeu, pour l'instant, je kiffe. Putain, il a enfin fini sa mission, lui. Je l'ai envoyé depuis le début. Ah, putain, merde. Ah, j'avais pas du tout... J'avais pas du tout fait le bon truc. Je me suis complètement planté. Et ici... ouais, ça passe. C'était dedans. Ah si, c'est bon, c'était dedans, je suis con. Ah oui, je suis bête. Non, c'était dedans.
Hey, Bobby. Here, William Vanderstink needs a security detail. Is it cool if I go? I've been wanting to pitch him some stuff I've been working on.
Ok,
Yeah, pretty sure that's exactly what he's trying to avoid.
je vais te mettre un en charisme, toi. Ah, tu vois, ça change légèrement, c'est intéressant.
For some situations, you can only choose one.
C'est-à-dire, faut faire un
We're going
choix.
to need you to protect Mr. Vanderstank from the Vanderstanker fan club.
Essaie de regarder les deux missions. Protéger Vanderstank à son After Van Gogh. Quand tu enverras un héros, l'autre option disparaîtra. Empêcher les fans, faire vent, même sonar. Du PDG, de l'ennuyer et avoir l'air classe. Et l'autre truc, c'est quoi?
High-ranking Vanderstanker. It would mean a lot.
Ah, il faut envoyer sonar sécurisé. Elle est où sonar? Il est de repos. On a le temps qui se repose. Je peux envoyer sonar. En fait, c'est soit je protège Van Dansk, soit je le laisse le rencontrer son idole qui est sonar. On va laisser sonar le rencontrer.
Sure. Go ahead.
Ok, on continue.
Well, I didn't think I would until you said that.
Je pense que je vais mettre court-pif pour celui-là. Et là, la planque est bien protégée, il faudra faire preuve de discrétion et utiliser l'environnement. Hop là. Ça part sur les deux.
How long was the last dispatcher here?
2 days.
Deux jours. Ah, ça marche pas ici.
Did that happen?
I set the scar on fire. Yeah. Very flammable. Kia soul.
Évoque une histoire attachante.
Make it relatable.
Attachante.
You know,
Je
tell
pense,
a
c'est pas
story.
mal.
I've got a great story.
Ça passe.
Time to
Nickel.
freak some fuckers out.
Oui, bonjour. Il y a beaucoup de voleurs dans cette planque. Comment l'équipe doit-elle procéder? Capture les voleurs ou protège les œuvres d'art. Fais sortir les tableaux en
Get the
silence.
paintings out. Quietly.
No
C'est mieux ça.
promises. I'm a screamer.
Eh oui, du coup. Vu qu'elle était dedans, ça marche. Et là-bas, il se passe quoi? Ah, c'était mal les voleurs? Ok. Ils ont été le gamin, mais ils ne savent pas quoi faire d'un voleur de 12 ans. Escortez-le chez lui. Je pense que c'est le mieux. Aïe 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 aïe.
Shake it off. Shake it off.
C'est loupé. C'est loupé. Ok, il se passe quoi là? Ah bah yes.
Grannies, I got this.
Hold up. Aren't you banned?
Yeah, and I gotta get unbanned.
Quoi? Pourquoi c'est elle qui doit y aller?
Yeah, nice try, dude. I'm not going anywhere. Except Granny's.
Ah c'est... D'accord, ok.
Just so you know, I'm not
Bah
going
vas-y.
for you. I'm going because I have to. Can I get ice down here, please?
What does that mean?
She's asking for a tap in.
Elle demande de l'aide.
The security cams of SDN subscribers all over our territory.
Wow, really? Is that legal?
Don't ask questions. Just always make sure to read the fine print.
Right, I feel like you've said that a lot in your life. What happened?
This is how I found the place.
D'accord.
The old guy who, I assume is Granny, was laying here when I walked in. Hey, what's your favorite donut?
Look, can you just focus? What, you got ADHD or something?
Yes, fucker. Is it that obvious?
Yes.
Un peu.
It is.
Well, then answer the question. I don't want to sit here and fixate on it when we're supposed to be doing superhero shit.
Glacé.
Just a plain ass glazed donut. You happy?
Not as happy as
Clairement
you
le glacé.
glaze all over you, huh? You just slap that donut around on your
Oh
face
vas-y,
and
casse les
put it in
couilles.
your mouth, huh?
Yep, you got me. I love gobbling on hot sloppy donuts.
putain.
Love them from my mouth to my butt.
Ah yes, super.
How's it going? First day. Thanks for asking me that, so you could get all your funny jokes out. Now, can we maybe address the body in the room?
s'occuper du corps.
What are you doing? You gonna poke it with a stick?
Check his pulse.
Granny's alive. Thank Christ. I didn't want to have to lip this guy. So, can I go now?
No, this
A wellness check. It's a B&E. Let's figure out the perp is still there.
Perp, B&E.
Okay, Lieutenant. Fuck, I can't think of a character from a cop show.
Cool. Well, why don't you stay put and work on that while I get another camera up online?
She's my least favorite. The worst of the lot.
That surprises me. You guys got similar energy. How do I switch cameras?
Just click the side here and you can cycle all the cameras in the building.
It's weird getting tech advice from an old person.
Bro, I'm not even 40 yet.
Weird hearing bro from an old person.
Un vieux qui dit mec, ça fait bizarre, j'avoue.
Is that a thing?
Yes, I am the legless Vietnam vet from Forrest Gump.
Oh
Sick burn.
oui, oh oui. Merci.
Am I doing something wrong? Pushing that button just says access denied.
Ah, damn it. Sometimes people add extra security. They don't understand it just makes it harder for us to do our job.
Hey, what's taking so long? Are you sleeping or something, or are you just bad at your job?
Ah, les deux, hein. Ok, petit hack. Tan, tan, tan. On arrive. Alors. Tac.
Why
Tac.
does a donut shop even need extra security?
Putain, il faut le faire trois fois, pardon. Allez, on y va.
Hello?
Oui, ça va, je suis là. J'arrive.
This node represents a code to use later. Remember it.
Lecture seule. Haut, bas, gauche, gauche.
This node has an unknown code.
Haut, bas, gauche, gauche. Let's go. Validé, ma gueule. Oh, des fois, il faut retenir. Nouvelle méca encore.
Alright, what do we got here?
Perp, B&E. Who are you?
Bonjour.
Hey, shut up for a sec, you're not alone.
Hazard.
He's coming your way, armed. You need to disappear.
Why are you whispering, you idiot? You're in my ear.
Qui es-tu? Ok.
God damn it, this bitch is a gusher.
Be careful.
I got this, Lieutenant Dan. Never mind.
Joli.
Got any more great advice?
Duck! Shit.
Les bons donuts glacés.
Bitch! Visigo, just hold him off while I find a way to help. I could use the overhead sprinklers to short out his blaster.
Alors attends, on y va, c'est parti. Prêt, go.
Come on, come on, come on.
Ah putain, merde. Ok, tac. Hein? Pardon? Quel enfer! Descends! Merde! Gauche, haut. J'aime pas le fait que ce soit en WASD. Oh, je galère. Oh. Putain. J'en ai marre. Vas-y, monte. Gauche, haut, haut, bas. Gauche, haut, haut, bas. Gauche, haut, haut, bas. Gauche, haut, haut, bas. Ah, c'était l'inverse. Oh, ça passe juste. C'était d'abord celui qui était en haut et ensuite celui qui était en bas. Bien joué. Belle bagarre. Hein. Ah. Qui c'est qui l'a sauvé?
Granny,
Ah bah tiens.
I don't think you know how to use that thing, so why don't you...
Shut the fuck up!
Oh, I'm one of the good guys.
You? Yeah, right. Don't fuck with me, okay? Nobody fucks Granny.
Personne ne baise mémé.
Granny.
Désarme mémé.
Vice Lieutenant Dan.
Okay, disarm Granny before the thing blows his face off. It looks super unstable.
So your expert opinion is to attack the client. Fuck that. I did think your way to turn to shit. I'm taking out the guy who's been trying to kill
Ah yes, super.
That wasn't a suggestion, it's direct.
J'avais raison, je crois.
Are you okay? Come in.
Et voilà, j'avais raison.
Yeah, great. Okay, where's the perp?
Ta mère des meufs.
Jesus Christ, you gotta be fucking kidding me.
That was pretty good for first day. Sometimes people, you know, get electrical burns.
She disobeyed a direct order.
Well, that's the problem. This isn't the army, and these ain't soldiers. They're fucking
C'est vrai, c'est vrai.
civilians.
C'est vrai, c'est vrai. Ah oui, oui.
Look, why don't you take a breather? We can debrief with Blazer in a bit. Here, there's vending machines in the break room. You look like you could use a snack.
Are you sure you're not actually 80 years old?
Oh putain. Ah, bonjour. 12 missions. Ouais, donc j'ai eu 10 réussites pour 2 échecs. Franchement, on s'en sort bien pour l'instant. Bonus de performance, merci pour votre travail acharné, plus un objet pharmacie, plus un objet aléatoire. Ok. Pharmacie second souffle. Mets fin au repos d'un héros. Ah, ok. Et j'ai un point aléatoire. Sur intelligence. Choisissez un héros qui va avoir le point intelligence. Je vais le mettre à couper. Ok. D'accord. Salut. Oh. Oh non, il mange des rats.
I didn't say which superhero. Chill out.
If you had people trying to kill you for the last 15 years, you'd be jumpy too.
What makes you think my life has been any different? You think growing up surrounded by a bunch of shitbag villains, I didn't need to watch my back?
Ah, c'est elle qui a choisi ça, ouais.
Well, you had a choice. No one made you pick a life of crime.
What the fuck?
You can't just go around. Ow! Why does he keep screaming?
His name's Sonar.
Yeah, I know what sonar means.
What's up?
Then why are you asking why he keeps screaming?
She was just explaining you were, you know what? Never mind. Good shift.
This guy's weird.
Yeah, he is. Look, I actually just came by to celebrate the mission going well.
D'accord.
Didn't mean to interrupt your little snack. What do you need a pre-chew like a little baby bird, bitch?
Look at me. You disobeyed a direct order. How can you think it went well? You trashed the place. The suspect got away and you got the client hooked. I don't think when he called us, he thought he'd be any of the day winking at Lefty because you turned his into a pork rind.
Granny would be fine if Granny didn't pick that thing up in the first place. He's just some dumbass trying to be a hero. And don't fucking say it, I know where you're going.
The fact of the matter is that shit didn't need to happen. We could have had an outcome where the client doesn't get fried and we get the perp if you had just fucking listened to me. You ask for help, then I can... What now?
Quel
I
enfer.
make the calls, not you.
Here's some advice. You're right at home behind that desk because you're no hero. You were a nerd playing a video game in a suit your daddy built. Now you're a twitchy little bitch turtle without a shell. A real hero puts their
Quel enfer.
ass on the line. A real hero can't just press a button and make their problems disappear.
The suit isn't what made me a superhero. It was how I did my fucking job that made me Mecha Man. Based on what I saw today, you wouldn't last a day as Mecha Man. Because there isn't a mech suit in the universe that'll keep you from being a selfish fucking asshole.
Ah, super. C'était direct. Ça c'est fait.
Feel bad. Good. Fuck you.
Ah oui, oh carrément. Ah ouais. Et belle ambiance dans cette entreprise en tout cas.
You gonna eat those Twinks?
That's not what they're... You know what? Help yourself.
Oh le pauvre, c'est terrible.
What happened to your nose?
Oh non.
Here we go.
You have a tissue hanging from your nose, Robert. I was trying to ignore it, but that became impossible when it started soaking in blood.
Visigoth punched me in the face, but I asked for it.
Robert, this is serious.
It's not. I asked for it.
Okay, there's nothing you could have said that warrants her hitting
Would
you.
it be any different if I said I literally asked for her to hit me in the face, and then she did it?
I suppose.
Okay, then let's go with that.
We're here to assess Robert's first shift.
Aïe, aïe,
and
aïe, aïe, aïe.
aside from whatever happened here, I thought it was pretty good.
What?
Told you, Robbie.
I was watching on the monitor. The work you did dispatching. I don't think the Z team has ever had a better shift than that.
We just might need to confront the fact that it might be the best they can do. Especially the way the granny thing went.
Yeah, now the granny situation, that wasn't ideal. But I've seen so much worse with Invisigal.
Ok, d'accord.
Let's be real. She ain't gonna make it.
She's difficult to work with, sure. But I see a lot of promise in her. Really. Even the other Z-teamers respect her.
They're afraid of her.
I should have done better. Maybe a couple wires got crossed toward the end there. I could have been
C'est pas
a
faux.
little more clear with her.
You crossed 0 wires, okay? She crossed them for you.
Look, Robert, you should be proud. The bar is very low with this group.
En vrai, on s'en est bien sorti. Hein.
It's not low for me. Look, I like to make a joke and keep things light as much as the next person. But when it comes to work, I'm not fucking around here. If you want the Phoenix program to survive, the bar needs to go up.
And how would we do that?
By treating the Z team like what they are, a bunch of villains.
Une bande de
And
méchants.
leading a supervillain team takes a different approach than a superhero.
C'est quoi, quoi?
I need to be around them. I need them to see I'm all in, and they need to match that energy.
Some tough love.
The only kind I know. And based on what I've seen, the only version they'll respond to. I'm not saying everyone will make it. They won't. I'm not saying it won't get spicy. It will. But when it does, I also need you to trust me to handle it. I don't want you stepping in. They need to respect me, even if I don't have powers.
Mais putain, il sait parler le gars.
Okay, we'll do it your way. Monday, we'll get them in a room and introduce them to their new supervillain leader.
I can't promise it'll work. I can only promise that I'll do my best.
No fucking way it's gonna work. But it'll be way more fun to watch.
Chase, some optimism, please.
God damn it. Yeah, I also promise to do my best.
Ok, donc ouais, j'aime bien.
Hey, kid.
What?
What are you doing?
Yeah, no. I did this. It's weird because yeah, I saw this lady, smiling lady, person put a donut on your desk earlier, previously, and it was nicely on a napkin. But then she just
Ouais, qu'est-ce qui se
comes
passe
back
là?
and she just crazy, like the evil mode, and hit, smash the same donut.
What a mess.
We'll clean it.
What? No.
No, yes. See, I'm SDN's newest.
C'est quoi son taf lui du coup? Ouais.
Hero?
Helpful janitor.
Homme de ménage.
Helpful
Ok.
janitor.
Okay. Cool.
So it's my pleasure, and it's my job, which you helped me get. So thank you so much.
Happy to help.
It's Friday. I'm not gonna ask. You headed out?
Oh, yeah, great. Thanks, kid.
Welcome to the team, Waterboy.
Yeah, welcome to you. You too.
Bienvenue à vous, c'est elle qui t'a recruté. Oh,
Hey,
c'est horrible.
I want you to know us Fixing your suit is not contingent on you fixing the Z-Team. I wouldn't do that to you.
That's good to know.
But don't worry about that. I'm just really glad you're here, Robert. I think we're going to do some great things together.
Belle opportunité.
I really appreciate you setting this up. It's exactly what I need right now, and it'll get me that much more excited to be back out there.
Actually, there's something I've been meaning to tell you. It's a little awkward to mention, but since the other night,
Blonde Blazer.
Oula. Oula. Qu'est-ce qu'il fait là, lui?
Ready to go? Who is this? I thought I'd cataloged all of your work companions.
Robert, this is my boyfriend, Namaman.
Ah!
This is our
Salut!
new dispatcher I was telling you about. Robert?
The third Robert Robertson, leader of the Phoenixes. Blonde Blazer told me about you.
Really? Did she, say, I don't know, what came up in that talk?
She said you're a capable, honorable man that truly cares for others. Why are you so small?
Hey, come on. You gotta stop asking people that.
The way you spoke of him made him
J'aime
sound
bien.
impressive. I only seek to understand. I apologize. How was his first day? Was his lack of size and strength an issue?
Oh la
It was
vache.
great. It was great. It was a great first day.
That is phenomenal. We should celebrate. Blonde Blazer and I have reservations in Tokyo at a restaurant where the owner dreams of sushi.
J'adore la
You
musique.
to join us.
No, elle
I'm
dit
sure
non
we
derrière.
could accommodate one more, especially a special occasion like this.
Non, je vais rentrer voir mon chien.
Actually, I gotta get home to my dog. He's very needy.
Oh, of course. But to be responsible for another life is a beautiful thing, even if that life is a dog life.
Yeah, right.
Oh, j'adore la tension. Elle a dit thank you, non? Ok.
He flies a little faster.
Ah, ok.
It was very nice to meet you, third Robert Robertson.
A pleasure was...
Now, could you step back? The power of my launch has been known to stun small beings.
Oh là là, j'aime trop. Ok, ça me plaît beaucoup ça. Ça me plaît beaucoup ça. C'est parfait. C'est tout simplement parfait. Je vous jure, j'ai envie de le débrief comme un deuxième épisode encore une fois. C'est... Ah, écoutez, on a vu le deuxième épisode de la série, nouvelle série Marvel, c'était super. Ah, c'est incroyable. J'adore le texte et tout, ça va dans la déconne à fond, c'est trop bien. Bref, vous avez compris, on se retrouve très vite pour le troisième épisode, troisième chapitre. Celui-ci était tout aussi bien que le premier. J'adore la vibe. Bref, à la prochaine.